Hello there, and thank you for joining us here at The Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Del Pueblo RV Park here in Yuma, Arizona. So if you're looking for an RV park, maybe you'll come by and check out this. I want to give you a quick tour of some of the amenities that they have here, how they're set up, just a little bit about the park and where they're located. Because they're actually located, I guess, south of Yuma, south of downtown Yuma, that is. But come along with us. You've just entered The Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. That is the way in there, and they got lots of park models in here scattered. That's their main office there to the right. The big yellow beige looking building there, activities office there in the blue building. Then it goes on back and they've got a crafts room, which we're going to see in a minute. The pool is back there, and so are 6 pickleball courts. So it's definitely a pickleball haven here. Come along, let's go keep looking. This is inside the rec hall where we're having our dinner at. I've got a live band about ready to start up. Nice big area. I like this place because where you could sell tickets to stuff here. This is the way to do it. If you're at an RV park, get you a nice big room where you can sell tickets and actually invite the public outside to come see you. And we are cooking in the kitchen. And just the lobby there is restrooms and showers. There's also a nice bulletin board with lots of things to do, things to sign up for. You get a 2025 schedule. You got a morning, afternoon, evening things going on. I like that. And lots of things going on in the area to include actually at the park. And I'm going to go in here quietly because there's someone in the shower. Shh. That is a barbershop on property. See that? There it is. Right there. They also got the post office box, so you get your own key for that. It's a nice setup. Activities office is there, and regular office is here. And here's where they are. My RV park I'm staying at is like right in here someplace. But this park here is you're here on 8. Here's the Marine Corps base here, and the airport, and it is south of the Marine Corps base. It's a little bit out of town. You don't have nearly as much traffic down through here as you do in this area here, that's for sure. And of course your Walmarts and such. Like there's one located here, there's one down here, so it's close to everything. Back of the activity center is this area here. As you can see, they've got a really nice pool. Maybe you can hear the pickleballers. It's square. Most pools are rectangle, but that one's definitely square. They got pickleball courts. They like their pickleball here, let me tell you. There's a nice court here. Actually, this is more set up for tennis, but boy, this back line is close. I don't think I'd play on that. It's actually a tennis court there. Oh, there's pickleball courts. Looks like they got 3 side by side and maybe another 3 on the other side, and at least one more. So they got 4 pickleball courts. They're in good condition. This is for bocce ball. Good sized court. And this one here is for shuffleboard, and they take care of them. They really do take care of them. And the reason I know they take care of them is because you see this yellow here. That tells you that they're using that sawdust stuff that they put on there. It's not really sawdust, but means they're doing a good job maintaining the boards. And this is their cornhole setup. I would have said this was horseshoes, but this is cornhole. I don't think they have horseshoes here, or where else they would have them. Looks to be one of their standard sites. You see, you got a pad here. Ooh, shade. Rare around here. Got sewer hookups there, water back here. And this should be our nice little flip up here. Ooh, look at that 50-50. Huh, put extra ones there. That's probably for that pad over there. It's probably they hook up here to also, is my guess. But there are, you see some trailers out that way, or RVs out there, but there's definitely a lot of park models here. I remember seeing that on my way in. There were a good group of park models. As you can see that way there, there's like 5, 6. Yeah, there's several park models down that way. Nice here, very, very well maintained. I like the concrete roads here. Nope, not a bunch of potholes. Good setup. I got a nice pool table here, and I got a bar area there. Lots of good pool tables. I like the pool area. They do have a craft room. You can see in there, lots of crafty items. So if you're looking for a park here in Yuma area, this might be the park you want to come see, because I'm actually not staying at this park. And the reason is I'm actually here working. I'm doing this thing. Working for the Shriner Diners, which is why I got this on. So I'm a Shriner, I'm a diner. Actually, they have fundraisers. They sell hamburgers and hot dogs for $12 every now and then. Depends on what the schedule is. We're only here one time this year, and we'll go to another park. If you're interested in coming on out and see this park, I like it so far. I don't know what the rates are. I will have those down below in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also, take a look at some of the other videos I have on RV parks, especially here in Yuma. I think I'm going to have about 5 or 6 while we're here. But I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, as I said, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.